Newsshooter coverage of Cinegear 2024 is sponsored by B&H and Atlas Lens Co.
Hi, it's Matt here for Newsshooter.com. It's Cinegear 2024. I'm with Chase from ARRI. Now, this is the new operator's set for the Alexa 35. So I take it this is sort of designed as almost to turn the Alexa 35 into more of a sort of an mirror type configuration.
Definitely. That was one of the goals with it. And we had a lot of customers asking for more simplicity when it came to accessories. Quick, pick it out of the box, get it on their shoulder. Also, obviously, shoulder comfort for balancing. A nice shoulder pad was all really key. But also the way that the plate interfaces, as you'll see, is really, really robust. We're getting away from that VTC 14, which is a fine standard, but not designed for heavier setups and maybe not as robust as some of the customers have come to expect from ARRI. So we kind of redesigned the bottom, and we're calling the bottom plate itself, that whole system, the touchdown system. But together, it makes up the operator set. Exactly.
Okay, so just give us a run through of how it works.
Sure.
Or actually, just firstly, what do you get within this set?
Sure, so what you get with the set is we can kind of start from above and go down. So you've got this great new top handle. It's got a lot of 3/8 mounting points on it. It's got a sustainable wood handle itself, very ergonomic, very nice looking. A lot of people have been really thrilled with the wood. We also have some mounting points up at the front in addition to the back, so improvements. I know a lot of customers love now the ability to mount something right to the front compared to the Amira where you only had just a cold shoe. You've got a very similar mounting system here in terms of the cross bracket, standard ARRI viewfinder interface, nothing really fancy there. So the idea is to keep it really simple in terms of plates. So you've got the sliding top handle, you can unlock it and then slide it forwards or backwards. So what's nice about the sliding, this is an early one, but you can see here you can get quite far forward and also quite far back. So it's got a lot of range both fore and aft. Then over here you've got rod mounting for 15mm lightweight rods right at the front. And then it's 4 screws at the front, 1 screw at the back, so it's still really robust, connects to all 5 points. And then on this side, what I love is you've got lots of mounting points actually for such a simple, lightweight, small plate. You've got a 3/8 with the ARRI locating up at the front, so you could do that for maybe a microphone bracket, something like that. Then at the back, you've got 2 more 3/8 with ARRI locating, so you could use the articulated mounting plate that we have in existing. It's not part of the set, but you can have that on there as an addition, so you get more room for mounting different pieces. 2 mounting points there, like I mentioned. This here you could use for an R&B bracket. So if you, did want to put a rod, somewhere back here, you could, which is really, really nice. So simple but elegant plate up at the top. Now at the bottom, it's using the same Bud 1 that you can get with the Alexa 35 as standard, same channel system, and you get this beautiful pad here that runs really, really, really far in terms of length. And also it's a nice wide pad as well. So getting that balance on the shoulder is really, really easy. But the innovation comes at the real bottom. I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug this power connector here, and it's the actual touchdown locking plate system here. So you can see already it's got this robust lock at the back. It's got this kind of stainless steel area up at the front. And in addition, of course, to sliding up top to get it balanced, the idea was that we would have a system that would guide you into locking it down. So with the VTC, if you come in at an odd angle, it gets partially locked and sometimes bad things happen. So the idea here is that when we unlock it like so, you can basically, once you go all the way, you can slide it out, but then when you put it back in, it actually guides you to the correct position. So it's actually 2 nubs on the inside of those rosettes at the front that lock down, and those nubs kind of fit into a channel system, as you'll see probably with an insert. But those 2 rosettes are really nice to mount handles, and then the rods up here are for 15mm lightweight rods. So the set itself ends with the top plate here, the top portion of the bottom, the quick release plate, and then these 2 plates with the bracket. The handles are not included, those are just separate.
Okay, in terms of availability, when's this likely to start shipping?
So this will start shipping at the end of July, and we hopefully have an OS side to start taking orders, if you will, very, very soon. So we're just getting the parts set up in our system and the final pricing and stuff. Yeah. I do have the final pricing in euros. I believe it's 3,490 euros. So, yeah, it's very exciting.
Okay, we'll get some over.